Good afternoon, people. Welcome back to the garage. We got a 2014 FRS here. Oh no, it's a BRZ. BRZ, my mistake. Look the same. We are doing a full catback invidia exhaust and unequal length headers. So we are gonna bring you guys along to this.
Okay.
So we got the exhaust all laid out here. So first things first, get the car in the air. And then you're going to want to take this undershield off, which has 10 mil bolts? Oh no, they're pop clips.
10 mils and 12s.
12s and 10s and pop clips.
Right. Take all these heat shields off, right?
Alright, so the first step, you got 2 bolts there. Then you got 4 bolts on this side, 2 bolts on this side, 3 on that side, and then 3 on this side. So we'll take those look like 14s, we'll take those out. Now with the hood open, you gotta unplug the O2s. So you go through the top here, just follow the wire up, disconnect the connectors. They're both up here, one is black and one is gray. Just unplug them and then we pull the headers up with them in. When you get it out, it will look like this. So the next step is to pull the O2s out and transfer them into the new pipe. So make sure you know which one goes. So we got it all ready now. O2s are in. We do have a new gasket for it. And then Jake's just prepping the surface where it mates. So we're gonna put it up in the reverse order. Tighten it all down to 14s. Plug the O2s in, and then we're going to start on the catback. So now we got it all in, all the bolts lined up. Now we just got to plug the O2 sensors in, and then we'll come back. Catback exhaust is pretty simple. Take the 14 mil bolts out, take the hangers out, and this whole thing should come down as one piece. So we got it all bolted in. Now we just gotta tighten it. And when you tighten exhaust, always go from front to back. So we'll tighten this up, get it all prepped, and we'll give you guys a cold start for this. Alright, first start up. middle a little. Alright guys, we are done. It is running. Just remember, follow me on Instagram, Greg's Garage. Thanks for watching. Until next time at the garage, I'm out.